Now we were going in the bird show. Bird show. Bird show. We are here. We will watch the bird show.
Chicken, one of the cutest and lovely birds. Her name is Jackie, 4 years old, 4 سنوات, in America. Famous with 3 colors around the world, brown, black and white, مشهورة بثلاث ألوان, بني, الأبيض والأسود. She's so friendly, bird, so cute. And during the show, friends, you will see many kinds of amazing birds, so don't miss any moment. Remember, if you miss, you will miss. Now, friends, after Jackie, we will travel together to South America, to Brazil. Yes, you hear me right. Everybody, clap your hands. Let's go. Let's welcome the lovely San Carlos Tom and Jerry. The national bird of Brazil, الوطني بالبرازيل. They can fly from Europe to South America in one direct flight without stop. بيطيروا من أوروبا لأمريكا الجنوبية بطيران ما بدون توقف أبدا. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Firas and I'm the DJN Best Music in Dubai. Thank you, Tom. Thank you, Jerry, the lovely San Carlos. Now the third largest podcast from South America, Hiba and Adele, coming to welcome all of you. Come here and say hello, friends. Hello, Hiba. Hello, Adele. ثالث أكبر مكان بالعالم. Ladies and gentlemen, you can roll a video, take a photo, but no flashlight. صوروا فيديو صور بدون ضوء الفلاش. And one more thing, during the show, the birds will fly over your head, so make sure your mouth will be closed, because you will never know what will be dropped down on you. Maybe something tastes like salted ice cream sometimes. After Hiba and Adele, Suraj, the big boy, have a message, and Doni Sally. Let's welcome now Suraj Bey with awesome lady, Tenor Mariam. Hello, Tenor Mariam. How are you? Ready? Yalla, W-E-S-C-O-M-E. Welcome, everybody. Raise the flag if they're up, رفع علم الإمارات العربية المتحدة. With all love and respect, مع كل محبة والاحترام. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Suraj. Friends, birds, when you talk about birds, there is more than 10,000 species of them. يعني تقريبا في 10,000 نوع طيور حول العالم. Our birds from many different countries من عدة بلدان. Like Russia, USA, UAE, Brazil, Australia, Africa, India. You will see during the show. Did you win? Do you love to do some dancing sometimes? Yeah, me too. Why I'm talking about dancing, rocks? 3 birds coming to start the party. Let's welcome Coco with Marlon, Mickey with Mariam, Amiral with Hosam Roni. Have your hands up, dude. Look, come on. Aywa. Give me. Hands up, hands up. Yes, thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Ronnie. There were some trainers. Amazing, Marlon. Have a big surprise with the African parrot parla free to the kitchen. Puzzle time. Circle yellow asphalt first on the line. Put potassium, mouse, banana, and the national fruit of India, mango. Oh, triangle green أخضر avocado. أحمر red strawberry فراولة. Blue أزرق ليلى square مربع blueberry. Kids angels أطفال الملائكة. Look at the table. If you do this, mommy and daddy will be happy. Always clean your mess دائما أطفال. Help mommy to clean the house. ساعدوا ماما تنظيف البيت. Because the cleaning is very important. Also in your school, your teachers will be proud of you. After that, what we should do? We should close the distance. Friends, I will ask you something. You have to listen, no sounds, no shouts. اسمعوا بدون صوت. This parrot will talk to you. هذا البارot راح يحكي معكم. But first, I will say hello to our magician, Trina Marlon. How are you, Trina Marlon?
Alright, good afternoon everyone. I'm fine, thank you.
Alhamdulillah. Big boy, tell us, what's your name?
What's your name? Coco.
Nice name, Coco. Coco, we are here in Dubai. What is the first words you have to say to the people in Arabic?
Alright, Coco, say hello to everybody in Arabic.
Salam alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam wa alaikum. What do you want to ask all the friends in the arena?
Coco, everybody, how are you?
Alhamdulillah, we're doing good. What about the morning?
How about in the morning?
Good morning, Coco. Can you tell us who's your best friend? Cat. Who's the one? Steal your food and run away every day. Dog. Coco, if you see a beautiful lady, what do you say for her? Only kidding, أكيد مزح. Coco, imagine my birthday is today. What you will wish me?
Too noisy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Wallah, thank you, shukran. But if you come to my party, the shit I'll have free without gift, بدون هدايا. What you will say?
Bye bye.
He will eat the cake and run away, yeah? Thank you, Coco, the African Parrot. Thank you, Marlon, the amazing trainer. Shukran, thank you. Did you win at my birthday? You'll bring gifts for me? Okay, we'll see you next year. So, do you believe in magic? Alright, I will do some magic. نسوي ألعاب خفة, me and the bird. But first, I need two friends to help me. Big boy with Cam, and your sister behind you, I think? Yeah. Come. Two friends will help me. Don't worry, kids. During the show, I have many bars, so I will call you later, yeah? You stand here, Princess stand here. You see the cards in my hand? Take one only. After you take, hide. Don't show me the photo. راح أشيل كارت يخبيه ما يخليني نشوف الصورة. Take one and hide. Hide, hide, hide. No, the photo. Okay. Now I will count to three. راح أعد ثلاثة. After I say three, guys, I want to show the photo on your cards to everybody like this. All right? 1, 2, 3. Show your cards. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now I will shuffle and mix. All the cards are white. All right? Same space, same size, same color. Give me high five. High five. High five. Thank you so much. Thank you. Angels, go to mommy. DJ win. I will close my eyes and mix. I will not look. All right? Then I will put in straight line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Do you think the bird will know the cards that kids stop? لنشوف إذا راح يعرف. Let's welcome the white cockatoo with awesome Mariam. Trainer Mariam, I think this the first card is a tiger. Is this a tiger? Dog, is that right? Alright. Second one, DJ. Crocodile تمساح. Let's check it's a crocodile. No, cat, is that right?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Thank you, John. The white cockatoo, the magician, and also magician Mariam. Thank you. Did you see the new ring? Dance hula hoop? No, we'll not dance. We'll play a game with the kids. So Princess come. Princess come.
Go, 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 go.
Yeah, come. And Princess here come.
Go there, go
Hold the
there.
ring here. Catch, hold from here. Come. Yalla تعالي, come quickly. Okay. Princess, come. Hold the ring from here. And you want to come this side and hold the ring from this side. Come. Here. Let's welcome now Samsam the Siberian Parrot from Australia. Rupa. Yalla, kids, have a seat. Have a seat. Thank you. Go to mommy. One more time, both of you. Yeah.
Good girl. You're so good girl. You're good girl.
Princess, come this side. Because Josh Mullah told us. Yeah. Catch with your brother from here. Yeah. Because the bird will fly from this side, alright? Yalla, Samsam, let's fly one more time. Aywa. Thank you. Awesome, Ronnie. Samsam, angels, go to mommy. Thank you. Now it's time for the adults, for the ladies. Mama. Trainer Norman will do the first round. Here's the board anyway. Let's welcome John Cena. Yeah. Yes. Let's start. Mommy in the middle up there. Yes. This is the third largest macaw. ثالث أكبر macaw بالأحلام. What you call the largest one? We call him the hyacinth or the dark blue macaw. The second one, we call him the green wing macaw. His color is red, but the wing's green. Hold, mom. Catch, hold like this. Aywa. Great. All right. Go. When you talk about parrots, there's 395 species. But when you talk about macaws, there is 16 species. Yes. Mom, hold the ring. Up, please, up. Yeah, like this. Oopa. Thank you, Marian. Thank you, Norman. Ladies, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Now, friends, we will travel together to Brazil. هنسافر سوا على البرازيل. To Amazon area because they're friends. Too much kinds and amazing birds. And here at Dubai Greek Park Bird Show, we have the most beautiful bird. Let's welcome now the lovely Rio with awesome Tina Malin all the time. I will show you how to feed the bird. Then I will call one daddy, gentleman, to try this. So daddies, listen and look carefully. Hand straight, don't move your hand. Bird will fly. Will eat 2 pieces exactly. After you finish, you should close your band. The bird will fly back to the trainer. So now I will call you, sir. Sitting doing nothing. Come help me. I want to stand the board. Listen to me carefully. We have a rule to try this. Do not eat the bird's food. I'm watching you, yeah? It's on it. Give your mouth like a cup. After the bird finished, close your mouth. Toucans cannot fly more than 60 meters. They have short wings. أجنحتهم قصيرة ما بيطيروا أكثر من 60 متر. Close your mouth. Small size of mouth is a girl. Big size of mouth is a boy. No flashlight, mom. Please flashlight. Yeah. And there is another kind of the toucans. We call them the rainbow toucans. Rainbow toucans. They have a colors exactly like a rainbow. The most beautiful bird. She said, "Thank you, sir, for the food." Thank you, my friend. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Rio. From Brazil to Dubai. We are in Dubai. Let's talk about now the national bird of UAE. فالوطني بالإمارات. Ladies and gentlemen, we know the falcon الصقر, but now you will see from the falcon's family, Mr. Eugene the Hawk Harris. We can find this bird in Japan and the west of Europe also. And to recognize the male and the female, when they have a baby, sometimes the father tries to kill them. The mother always save the baby, so the big size, the female, the mother. الحجم دائما للأم للأنثى لأنها بتحمي أطفالها من هجمات الأب اللي بيديهم بدون ما يقصد. Thank you awesome trainer Ronnie. Thank you Eugene the Hawk. Did you see before a bird playing sports? You will see a bird playing basketball. Did you win? I know you love to play basketball. So let's check what the birds can do. Two perfect players coming to play the game. First on the line, I think, the yellow nape and, oh, the Galacticus parrot with Mariam, the yellow nape parrot with Norman. 3, 2, 1, play. Wow. You can see the beak of the Galacticus parrot orange color. The yellow nape parrot is like a gray, dark gray. Yeah, come here, big boy. Bravo. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, Norman. 1-0 for Mariam team. Now, basketball on the table. Oops. Did you win? Which one is your favorite sport? Basketball. For me, it's football. I will tell the kids, you have always to play sports, kids. It's very good for our power and our health. Now, let's welcome the second players. They will play the game on the table, على الطاولة. Blue-headed Amazon with Marlon, yellow nape parrot with Mariam. 3, 2, 1, play the game. Let's go. Let's go. Wow, 1-1. Oh, there's a competition here, wow. So let's play the final rings. Each bird will play with 3 rings. 1, 2, 3. Oops. 1, 2, 3. Go, let's go. MashaAllah. All of them are winners all the time. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Mariam. Thank you, the birds. You watch a bird playing sports here, yeah? Be ready, you will see a bird do some painting. After he finish, kids, you will tell me what's the painting look like. بعد ما الطير يخلص رسم، الأطفال رح تخبروني شو الرسمة بتشبه. So friends, let's welcome together now, from Australia, the artist and the painter, Mr. John Picasso, the artist, one of the amazing birds with awesome Marlin. John Picasso is a white silvery Chris cockatoo الأبيض, famous in many countries, Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, Australia. Eat many kinds of fruits like watermelon, seeds, nuts, and berries, and living in very big groups. And there are 16 living species of them with 4 colors: black, white, grey, and pink. White cockatoo, color of the eyes black, boy like him. لون العين أسود ذكر مثله. Color of the eyes red, she's a girl. لون العين أحمر تكون أنثى. They can live after 60 to 100 years of age. بيعيشوا من 60 ل 100 عام. The black cockatoo can live more than 100 years with the same partner. All these you win. You can live with the same partner more than 100 years. Yeah. Look at the faces of the daddies here. Sir, you can live with the same wife more than 100 years? Say yes, because you have to go back home. The painting look like cocktail juice. Kids, angels, what's the painting look like? شو بتشبه?
What's the painting look like?
Anything in your mind?
Hello.
Parrots?
Yes.
Wow, you're amazing. Yeah, did you win? The princess says it's a parrot. What do you think? Flowers? Maybe. Jordan, is this a flowers? No. I said cocktail juice. Oh, you give me a hint. It's flying in the sky. Is this a rainbow parrot? Bravo, princess! Thank you, John. Thank you, Marlon. All the time. Shukran, Marlon. We will travel now to another country, to Bollywood country, the country of love and passion, India. Why? Because a small, beautiful parrot, she's a girl. She will come here to play sports. Then she have a message to all the kids. And the رسالة للأطفال أيضا. Let's welcome now the lovely parrot, Priyanka, from India. Namaste, Priyanka. Hello, Mariam. Priyanka plays balls, climb, slide, and the message is all the kids save your money in your life like this. You can help yourself in the future, you can help mommy and daddy. كل الأطفال جمعوا فلوسكم بحياتكم زي كده بتساعدوا ناسكم بالمستقبل تساعدوا ماما وبابا. Saving money is very important, kids. Thank you, Mariam. شكرا, Priyanka. 6 years old, from the Blue Goma Cows family. He's a perfect rider, coming to ride the bicycle on the table. Mr. Anas. Everybody, look who's here. Ready? Yalla. Support. Come on, come on, come on. Yalla. Go, go, go. Where is he going? I'll tell you. المحطة القادمة هي. Next station is Dubai Mall. Chiki, 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 chiki. Sky, sky. Kids, give me number from 1 to 5.
What number?
Any number from 1 to 5. 4. Give me another number from 1 to 5. 2. My friend, you answered me, so I will tell you something about DGWin. This man, super numbers and mathematics friends. So he will challenge you now, okay? DGWin, 4 plus 2 equal to what? 42? What's the name of your school? My answer is 52. Me, same school with you, same desk also. 4 plus 2 equal to what, friends?
6.
6. Let me ask Anas. Anas, tell them it's 52, please. He know the answer. What you should do, me and you, DJ? Back to school right now. Thank you, Marlon. Thank you, Maria. Now, friends. 1 ball, 3 cups. I will shuffle the cups. You will tell me where's the ball by the number. How by the number? Look, practice round. Hop, 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 hop. Where's the ball? 1, perfect. One more. Yalla, ball number 2. Hop, 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 hop. 1. Let me tell you something. I didn't lose before, Baxter. Now I'll challenge you. Did you win? Give me music. Boom, back up my style. Boom, boom. You have to be quick, DJ. You have to put your nuts like this. Where's the ball? What is this?
1.
Where?
1.
Under the table. You saw me when I put it down. What is this? Huh? The girl got me. Yalla. Anos, where is the ball, Mr. Anas? Wait, to approve to you, it's a real magic. Big boy there. Big boy, I need your help. Hi, what's your name? Sujit, come with me. My friend, you will mix like I did before. You will shuffle like this. After you finish, put 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Alright? Yeah. Wow, he's amazing. Give me a high five. Thank you so much, Shukri. Have a seat. That was in same space, same line. Anus, where is the ball? He's a magician, performing by the magician behind the table, Lady Taylor Marlin. Thank you, Marlin, all the time. Now, friends, keep your cameras ready. Kids, be seated, don't move, because now you will see the superstar of the show. Ladies and gentlemen, coming from Russia to Dubai, let's welcome from the gates, Mr. Andre Joya. He is a stellar sea eagle, Nisr Bahri Khatif. We bring this bird from Russia, جبناه من روسيا. With this size, he's still a baby, بعده baby, 4 years old, 4 سنوات. The only one in Dubai, الوحيد الموجود بدبي. Weigh from 5 to 6 kilograms, وزنه من 5 ل 6 كيلو. So only the others can hold the bird, and our camera will be here if you want. You can take and reach your home. We're at home, put your hand like this, and you will jump to your hand. Keep it straight, smile, we'll take a picture, print it, and give it to you. Friendly, photogenic, the only one in Dubai. He will join us after 1 or 2 minutes maximum. Thank you. Also, Taylor Ronnie. Thank you, Andre the Giant from Russia. Spasiba Bishoy. Baka baka. Masalama. Everybody for joining us in Creek Park Virtual Dubai. The lovely Sagonios, Asafir Shams. How to feed the birds. After you get the food separate or with the combo offer, put a little bit on your palm, hands like this. The birds will fly to your palm, stand and eat the food. Move your hand, walk, dance, do what you want to do. Roll a video, take a photo, but one thing, don't do it, friends. Don't touch the birds. Mount them so up to you, alright? You see, they are so friendly, so lovely moments. Now, we come to the end of the show. Let's give a big clapping to our awesome trainers, please.